Breaking news, the world's eyes are once again fixed on the mysterious interstellar traveler 3I Atlas makes its silent approach through our solar system. NASA has spoken clearly that there is no threat to Earth. Their precise calculations reveal that 3I Atlas will pass at a safe distance of 1.8 astronomical units, nearly 170 million miles or 270 million kilometers away, almost twice the distance between Earth and the Sun. Yet even at that vast range, its presence has captured the imagination of billions of people. As 3I Atlas hurtled towards its perihelion, the point closest to the Sun, tomorrow, October 29, 2025, it offers an extraordinary scientific opportunity. Spacecraft like NASA's Europa Clipper and the European Space Agency's Hera mission are positioned to cross through its ion tail, collecting never-before-seen data on this cosmic traveler. For the first time in history, we may analyze an interstellar object from within its own glowing trail. But 3I Atlas carries with it more than dust and gas. It carries questions. From online forums to observatories, people wonder, is it just a comet or something far more mysterious? An alien craft, a cosmic messenger, or even a harbinger of change? While science assures us of our safety, 3I Atlas has become a mirror of humanity's imagination, reflecting both our fear of the unknown and our endless thirst to understand it. As it sails past the Sun and out into the infinite dark, one thing is certain: the world will be watching. Please give me a follow on my YouTube channel. The link is on my bio. JSM here. As always, stay safe.